Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the F1TV error code BM2003. The error reads, "Video error. Sorry, we encountered an error. Please try again later." This error shows up when users try to stream full race replays on their laptop. According to users, the error affects full races specifically, while highlights and qualifying sessions play without any issue. Based on our research, the error seems to be related to browser settings, extensions, or cache issues. The first thing you should do is restart your device. Once the device restarts, try streaming the race again and check for the error. If the error still comes, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing, relaunch the browser and check for the error again. If that doesn't help, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Then disable all the browser extensions. Once done, check if the full races now play without any issue. If the error still appears, try using a different browser. You can try on Brave Multiviewer or any other browser to see if that helps fix the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.